Hey there, Dr. Cory Workman with Community Hearing Center here in Estes Park, Colorado, coming to you with another video. And in today's video, we're going to look at how to insert a behind-the-ear hearing aid and an in-the-ear hearing aid into your ear. Also going to have some tips and tricks for those of you that may be helping someone with a hearing aid. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. All right, first up is the behind the ear hearing aid. Here it is. Let's take a look at how we get this one into your ear. All right, so here we go with the behind the ear hearing aid. Hopefully you can see my ear just fine there. Here we go. So we're going to take the hearing aid and first place it behind the ear like so. Then we're going to take this rubber tip and place it into the ear like so, and then take this little string here at the bottom and fold it into this back portion of the ear right here. So a couple of things. It's important to note that we need to keep that hearing aid up against the side of the head as much as possible, and that will help it to sit there and stay in place. If you're helping someone put a hearing aid in their ear, it's good to get it up behind the ear first, and then you can work on working the wire in and putting all the parts and pieces together. All right, next, let's look at one of the in-the-ear hearing aids. This is one of them here. This is a custom-made piece for your ear, and let's look at how we get this one into the ear. All right, so here we are, zoomed in on my ear. We're going to take that hearing aid and set it into the ear like so. You'll see that it's rolled forward just a little bit. We're going to roll that backwards and put it into the ear like so. You'll notice that we didn't catch any of the skin flaps up here underneath the hearing aid. It's a very common error to catch skin flaps right there and have that be in the way. So you want to make sure that that hearing aid gets in flat and underneath these skin flaps in the ear so that it doesn't get caught. When you're helping someone with this, that's very important to make sure that that happens that way. So that's how you get an in-the-ear hearing aid into your ear. Thanks for joining me today on our video on how to get a behind-the-ear hearing aid and an in-the-ear hearing aid properly placed into your ear, and some of those tips and tricks on how to help someone with doing so. If you have any other questions, you certainly can leave them in the comments below. I'd also ask that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when we're posting more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.